Hello, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to remove objects like boats or people. First, take the freehand selection tool and select the boat. Make sure that you are also including the shadow. Next, click on Edit and select Inpaint. So in our case, a person appeared, we will remove this person later. Repeat those steps for every boat. Next, I want to remove the people, therefore I choose the Inpainting Brush tool and I select every person. With the help of the Embed tool, I was able to remove unwanted objects and people from the scene. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.